The next presentation is from Ashray Malhotra and team from IIT Bombay. His unique innovation won the 10-minute million contest at the Entrepreneurship Summit IIT Bombay and received on-the-spot funding of 1.5 million rupees. Please welcome Ashray.
What makes your movie theater experience good? Is it the seats, is it the big display, or is it the sound? Sound is very, very crucial to our movie experience. The primary reason why we go to watch movies in theaters over experiencing it in just our rooms is sound. Sound theaters have fairly good sound effects. You can hear sound from front, from back, from left and right. But how close is it to reality? Imagine you're in amidst rain. Can your sound experience in movies ever recreate anything close to that? Your raindrops are close to you, away from you, above your umbrella. Current sound experiences come nowhere close to recreating that. And that is what we aim to change. Before we come to that, how have sound experiences historically changed? We started with a mono speaker, which is one sound source and everyone listens to it. Then we went to stereo speakers, one on the left, one on the right, so that you at least have the left and right effect. The current state-of-art commercial is 5.1. You have sound from front, back, left and right. But that's currently the state of art. What next? What is a mecca of sound? It's probably concerts. The reason you go to concerts is so that you can experience music in a form that you cannot experience anywhere else. But how good are concerts? The sound systems of concerts have only become louder and louder with time. That's the only change that happened. You have two big speakers on the left and the right of the stage, and you always hear sound from them. You don't have any effects, no surround sound effect, nothing like that. No immersive experience, it's just loud music. And we want to fundamentally change that. What we have invented is a technology that connects thousands of speakers which are surrounded all around you to give you the most immersive experience that you can possibly have. This is the ultimate level of surround sound that you can possibly get. This is an IITB patented technology, and we are a group of IITB students who are working on this. So all of this is not just a cool theory. We actually tested this out in Convocation Hall on the 12th October 2015, where we connected 280 mobile phone speakers, and so that we can test whether hearing from so many speakers sounds good or not. The feedback that we got was amazing. One of the participants walked up to us and said that his experience was magical. It was that feedback which encouraged us to take this product from just a cool prototype stage to a full-blown commercial product. But that was done on mobile phones. We wanted to make this a very, very user-friendly experience so that everyone in the concert uses this. We believe that this is the next generation of concerts that you'll experience. We are currently working on a wearable speaker on something like what I'm wearing right now. So all of these speakers are distributed to people in the concerts. So if there are 10,000 people who are attending concerts, you have 10,000 speakers surrounding all around you. Imagine sound coming from not left, not right, and you cannot point out where the sound is coming from. You are essentially a part of the speaker itself. It's an experience it's a feeling which is very difficult to express in words, but everyone who has experienced it has given us very, very positive feedback. This is made in India, and I want to emphasize that this is an inherently international product. We plan to take it across the globe because concerts is not just an Indian thing. If anyone finds this idea interesting or wants to work with us, please get in touch. Thank you.